So today is the class 1. So we have already completed our demonstration session. If anyone new today, so we will try to share the demo link and we will try to help you out of there. So now coming to the class, first let us discuss about content, what we are going to do. And coming to the content, we are going to work on both ECC system and S4HANA system. And first I'll be taking up ECC and then I'll be taking up S4HANA. So when coming to the basic understanding, we'll be learning about SAP landscape, introduction, advantages, and roles and responsibilities. And we'll be seeing about SAP licenses, servers. So we'll be seeing the functionalities. Okay. And all these things we are going to see as part of introduction. And we will be working on organization structure of SAP, and we will be seeing financial accounting global settings. So the global configurations for financial accounting and general ledger accounting. General ledger accounting is the main ledger. So here in order to use the general ledger, we need to do certain configurations like chart of accounts, account groups, retained earnings account, document types, number ranges, and we will be starting with controlling as well. Controlling is a module. So we are including controlling in normal SAP finance itself. Okay. So because both are integrated modules, without controlling, we cannot use only finance. So both are required for the business operations. So we are including controlling also in the beginning itself. After completion of total finance, we will check, we will see once again the depth of controlling. So apart from normal controlling, we are going to see the in details of other functionalities in controlling. And we'll start with master data, transaction data, reports, transport requests, tables. We'll see about park document, whole document, reversals, reference document, foreign currencies. In accounts payable, we deal with complete like vendor master, and we deal about vendor transactions like vendor invoices, so vendor advance payment, vendor normal payments like manual payments, automatic payments. Okay. And banking related configurations, and we see about GST configurations, TDS configurations, and testing. If I say configurations, just we won't focus on configurations. We do configurations and also we do testing part. Okay. So both we are going to focus, and we'll see about payment terms. Suppose if I wanted to, if I'm buying a material for credit basis, so what is the payment terms? How many days? Whether 30 days or 20 days or 10 days. So what will be the cash discount in case of any payment terms? All these things we are going to learn during the payment terms. And we do we focus more on FIMM integrations like procurement. So this is here in SAP we have module that is for procurement. We are going to learn 40% of module in FICO itself, because if you want to step into the next level of your career in SAP, we should know about integrations in very much. So we'll do the integrations and we'll see multiple scenarios like how to purchase a single material, how to purchase a multiple materials, how to purchase a metal with GST, without GST. So all those things, and how to use that material. So all those things we are going to see during our FIMM integrations. And parallelly, next we are going to start with account receivables. Account receivables is nothing but a customers. Accounts payables is nothing but a vendors. Payment is for vendor. Okay, accounts payable is for vendor, and then we'll start with account receivables. Account receivables is for customers. Again, customer configurations, customer master data, customer transactions, customer reports, how to make customer advances. If customer is not paying on time, how to run the dunning, and we'll see the sales process, the complete sales process, like how to create a sales order, how to deliver the material, how to do the billing, incoming payments, in case of cancellation of billing, how to do the billing cancellations. All these things we are going to see during our order to cash scenarios. And next, going to the controlling module, we have like we are including this controlling in finance itself, but still we are going to focus once again. So these are the topics that we are going to learn, like cost center accounting, internal internal orders, cost element accounting. Okay. Next, profit center accounting, profitability analysis, and product costing. Product costing, I'll be going with the recorded sessions. I'll be giving you the recorded sessions. It's not mandatory for FICO. So you can keep it aside later whenever you are comfortable with all the previous topics, you can start working on product costing. Okay. And so this is what we are going to discuss during our training. And now after completion of ECC, till here I'll be taking up in ECC. Now I'll start with S4 HANA. In S4 HANA, again, I will teach you the organization structure, financial accounting, global settings. So all these settings, once again, I'm going to teach you. And here, from here, whatever the new functionalities that SAP has given in accounts payable, account receivables, and banking, and asset accounting, and uh, currencies, accounting principles, additional currencies, ledgers. Okay. So Fury, it's one of the new thing in S4 HANA, Fury. And up to here, our course will be completed, and I'll be giving you one project overview. Okay. How I have done my project, what are the stages that I have involved, and how did I prepare my documentations, each and every part I am going to help you in the real-time project. Okay. So this is how our course will be designed for the 3 months. 3 months is enough. And during our course, we have a documentations. So the entire course documentation has been, we'll be sharing it to you. So like whatever we are teaching, whatever we are doing day to day, the documentations are available. Along with this documentation, you will be getting the recorded session also. So you'll be
Oh,
getting recorded session. Based on that, you can even practice. Okay. We'll be sharing you the server as well. Okay. So this
hello, sir.
is, yes,
Sorry to
please.
interrupt you. Sorry to interrupt you. So after completion of the course, can we get the job from your side also as a fresher?
As a fresher, we are not going to keep you in any companies. That is not possible for any training institutions or even
Yes,
placement
yes.
companies. How I am doing the placements, this is a process. After completion of the course, I'll take one small mock interview. If you are going outside, they will expect 100% of your performance. I am expecting 50 to 60% of your performance, and I'll keep you in the separate group. And that group will
Okay.
be led by me. So where I'll be giving you additional scenarios as per the market requirement. Suppose there is a interview going on in Deloitte, what should be prepared for that interview? It's not like placement assistance, it's like placement guarantee only.
Yes.
The process. Okay, you should be with us. Okay, till you get placed, we'll take that
Okay.
responsibility. I cannot keep you in one
So,
company. Let me complete, Abhishek. I cannot keep you in one company directly after completion of the course, but I'll be here to guide you till you get placed, whatever you want. Okay, so that's how I'm going to help you for the placements. Yes, Abhishek, please go on.
so we can put any experience in our resume because we have
Yes.
also gap.
Yeah, yeah, that is also possible.
So,
Then we can, then if you are managing that, I can give you that subject expert, whatever the, whether 2 years or 3 years or 4 years, whatever the experience you needed, that I can guide you. So that skill set, like what did you do in the previous project? What is the critical things, and what are the scenarios that as I have done in my real time projects? So all those things I'll give you. I'll make sure that you will crack the interviews by your own. That is my
yeah,
responsibility.
yeah, that's we can do that.
Yeah,
But if we can put 2 years of experience, so
no
whatever the
worries.
package we can accept.
Yeah. So that's everything will guide you. No worries. If you want
No,
two
no,
years,
no.
3 years.
Suppose we will put 2 years of experience in our resume last 2 years. So how much we can expect for the package?
So for 2 years, around 6 to 7 lakhs you can expect, Abhishek.
Okay, okay, good. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So any other questions? We'll take it up end team. Don't worry. Let us go with the subject part. Okay. So regarding your questions like what is the salary, what are the job opportunities, we'll discuss at end. Okay. Let us continue with the course. Thank you all of you. But I'll definitely take up all your questions. Okay. So this is about the documentation part. I have explained you about course content, what we are going to learn during the training. And this is the documentations that we are going to hand over to you. And in this documentation, so whatever I'm going to do in SAP, I have already documented it. You can just refer these documents and you can start learning. So in this document, the code and the name will be different, but whatever the class I'm taking, the code will be different, because within same code we cannot take the class. Okay, that's the only one thing, one change. And one more thing I would like to bring to your notice. So for non-accounting people, I'll be taking up the accounting concepts from the scratch. You no need to worry. That is my responsibility. So you might be from BTech, you might be from mechanical, whatever, no worries about it. From scratch, what is debit, what is credit, whatever the topics required for SAP FICO, that I'll take it up. We are not accountant, we are a finance consultant. Whatever knowledge required for the finance consultant, that I'll be providing you. So don't worry about it. Okay. And I'll be giving you the interview questions. So we'll be helping you with the interview questions that you have to take it up. So from daily on daily basis, I'll be providing. And also there are some transaction codes to be noted. Here you have that. We'll be sharing you this document also. So these T codes you need to remember. So whenever I'm teaching, you can mark a note. I'll be telling you as well. You can make a note and you can just prepare these T codes. Okay. So I'll explain you all these things later point also. At this point, it's okay. Now, let us start our session. Let us start our class. Okay. So, as of now, we understood about what is SAP in our demonstration sessions. We have understood about what is SAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. As I told you, it is an exam, it is a certification exam question. And also, if you're going as fresher interviews and any seminars in SAP seminars, they'll ask you this question. Okay. So just like a knowledge purpose, or even they will twist whether basic knowledge do we have or not. Okay. And SAP belongs to ERP. What is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So it is a group, it's a type of softwares. Okay. Like if you want to run a business, you should have ERP. Any, if you're running a small business, Tally. If you're running a mid-level business, you can go for Odoo, you can go for Oracle, you can go for Microsoft Dynamics, you can go for SAP. Almost mid-level and large-scale companies, they are always into SAP. SAP is the major solution. So in ERPs, SAP is the market leader. These two things we have already discussed in the demonstration as well. And now, as part of class, I'll take two examples. One is Infosys, and second one will be Britannia Industries. These are the two major things. These are the two companies I'm taking as an example. If I'm taking Infosys as an example, Infosys, TCS, Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, KPMG, okay, so LTI Mindtree, all these companies are software companies. So Infosys is a software company, and whereas Britannia Industries is a product-based company. Okay. So what is software company? They will do only software services. So you want Oracle? Yeah, they will provide you the solution. You want Microsoft Dynamics? They will give the solution. You want SAP solution? Yeah, they will provide the solution. You are facing any problem with SAP? They will be giving the solution. Like that. So all software companies like Infosys, they or TCS, they will be providing you software services. For whom? For the product-based companies. So product-based companies like Britannia Industries, they will not focus on software. Their major aim is to do the production, to do the sale, to get the revenue out of the sale, and to focus on the quality, to focus on the operations. So that is the major role of Britannia Industries, product-based companies. Now, to help to run the business smooth, software companies will be supporting this product-based companies. Now, in product-based companies, in order to run the business successfully, they will be having many departments. They will be having departments like finance department, purchase department, sales department, production department, operations department, HR department, HCM or HR. So HR, I'll take it as HR. So etc. These are all the different departments are available in any company to run it successfully. Okay. So finance people cannot do the manufacturing. So production people cannot do the purchasing. So the skill set, the employee skill set will be different in each departments. In the same way, one SAP consultant cannot run complete system, complete system or complete solution. One SAP consultant, like I'm a SAP consultant, I cannot deal with all these department problems. I'm a FICO consultant. I'll deal with only FICO configurations, FICO related issues. So in SAP also, there are different consultants. They are called modules. In SAP also, there are different modules like FICO, finance and controlling, MM, materials management for purchasing. Okay. SD, sales and distribution for sales. So next one, PP, production planning for manufacturing. Next one, operations. Operations means uh, PM, plant maintenance is for operations. Next, HCM. This is for HR, human capital management. Not only this, we have more than 40, 50 plus modules in SAP. If you are using in retail industry, you have separate solution in SAP. If you are having a media like NDTV or Republic TV, this type of media, and even Sakshi TV in our Hyderabad, they are also using SAP. They are having different module. So based on the business, SAP has given different modules and different solutions. And here we are going to learn about FICO in our training. Okay. And you may ask me a question, sir, FICO is enough, or do I need to learn parallelly other modules? Not required. FICO is a ocean. Okay. So that is more than enough. And while learning FICO, I'll be teaching MM 40%, SD also 40%. So this is enough for your retirement, till your retirement I'm talking about. Okay. In this itself, you can explore more of your knowledge until you can grow as a team leader or project manager also with this skill set. Okay. So and again I'm telling you, till retirement you no need to focus on others. That is the one good thing, right? So there are so many technologies today. 3 years back I have seen one technology, 5 years back I have seen one technology. Now there is no board in Amirpet also about the technologies, but SAP is not like that. I have seen in 2009, and I am seeing today also the board, because SAP is a business, finance is a business. So without finance there won't be any major changes in incoming payment and outgoing payment. The process is same. After selling you have to get the payment. After uh, buying you have to make the payment. There won't be any changes in this. It's a business. Okay. So FICO, we are tight, we can sit tight in our seat, no worries about it. Just the skill set is important. Okay. And skill, my responsibility. So understanding, making you understand, and wherever you struck to help you, it's my responsibility. To focus is your responsibility. That's it. Okay. Remaining till you get placement, I'll take the responsibility. And okay, let's go back to our subject. So now these are all the modules, right? Not only this, we have different other modules also. Okay, that later we'll see. And all these modules are called functional modules. All these modules are called functional modules. Okay. What is functional modules? Functional modules means they will be taking care of only business process. So whatever problems they are facing, this functional team, they will take care. No coding. In simple language, no coding. So these functional consultants will not be having any coding. Any coding. Okay. Just like how you are configuring your mobile phone, in the same way they will configure your SAP system. So they want some advances, they want some security deposits, so we have to configure. They are having a new bank account. Till today they were using SBI, from tomorrow they are using ICICI. Again we have to configure. Okay. They wanted to get financial statements in different format. Again we have to configure. They are not getting uh, vendor statement correctly. As per books, it should be 10 crores, but in SAP, we are getting only 9.9 crore. Something is getting difference. They could not able to identify. Again, we have to sit and we have to do the reconciliation. Since you know the SAP beginning to end, wherever there is a problem, you can able to rectify. Suppose in general ledger it is saying 10 crores. In accounts payable it is saying only 9.5 crores. You can rectify it because we are consultants, we can do that. So this type of work we have to do in the business. This is the roles of the consultants. Whatever problems they are facing, as a consultant, we have to fix it. That is our role. And these people are called end users. SAP, we are using mobile. That means we are the end user of the mobile. When you are getting problem in the mobile, you are going to the technician. That fellow is a technician, that's it. Just like that, whoever is using SAP in the business, they are called end users. Whoever is supporting, they are called consultants. So we have two roles here. One is as end users and one more as consultants. We are SAP consultants. SAP is not a correct word, but SAP is the correct word. Okay. So this is the roles of consultants and this is the roles of end user. End user will take care of business, consultant will take care of smooth running of SAP system for the business. And all the financial activities, financial problems will be taken care by FICO consultant. Purchase related issues will be taken care by consultant. Sales related issues will be taken care by SD consultant. Like that. And we are all functional consultants. Next, there is one more type of consultants, like they are ABAP. Okay. ABAP is a coding language, just like Java, .NET, other XYZ coding languages are there, right? C++, something. So like just like that, ABAP is also a coding language. So if I am having any problem in the system that cannot be rectified by me, then I'll ask ABAP to change the code in background. They will rectify it. So and he is a technical consultant. ABAP basis means this fellow will take care of system administration. Are my user ID is not working, my password is not working, the backup is not working. I want to update my system from old version to the new version. So the system is very slow. The size has been fully occupied, and we need to increase the size of the server. All these things will be taken care by this fellow basis team. We no need to worry about it. Okay. And one more, like security. So he is also like a technical consultant. He will take care of access. Suppose I am working for FICO and my friend is working for So FICO consultant cannot do activities. Consultant cannot do FICO activities. That restrictions will be done by the security team. Not only consultants, even at end user level also. This fellow will take care about that restrictions. So he is called a technical consultant. So there are two types of consultants. One is functional, one is technical. Okay. So I hope you are clear about what is end users, what is consultants. Okay. Now, after completion of the course, I can suggest you based upon your knowledge. Since we understand, we talk to you, we understand based upon our experiences. If you are not strong in the subject, we suggest you to go as a SAP end user and will not leave you. Work for 6 months or 1 year, again come back to the consultant. This is what we suggest you. And if you are strong with subject, we will push only for consultants. So that responsibility, I'll take it up. Whether you want to go with this role, okay. So based upon your strength, based upon your weakness, based upon your experience with SAP, so understanding about subject. So I'll suggest you, don't worry. Okay. But my from beginning, my ultimate goal will be the SAP consultant, like software engineer. He is a software engineer, and we cannot call him as a software engineer. Okay. So this fellow is a technically BPO person. So just like technically, he will be technically working on SAP, but he will be doing data processing only. I am selling something, he will put it in SAP system. I'll receive the payment, he will put it in SAP system. That's it. End user means whatever business is doing, they will record in SAP. That's it. But they need skill set. Just like somebody cannot do end user activities, they need to understand the business and they need to do that as well. Okay. So when in the market, the salaries will be a bit low for SAP FI end user, and consultant, the salary is very high. And out of all these modules, we'll be having a prominent role in the project, because FICO is involved everywhere. FICO is involved everywhere in the function. HR, finance is required. Sales, finance is required. Purchase, finance is required. Manufacturing, finance is required. So our role is very prominent in the project. Okay. So FICO is always having a job opportunity. Even today, if you go to Naukri and if you check SAP FICO, you can find out the many job opportunities. Okay. 3 days back, 5 days back, 1 week back, 20 days back, like that. You can see all the big companies' names itself, the requirement. That is one thing why we need to learn this SAP FICO. Okay, if you are working for only accounts payable, you may not have that much of scope to change or with high salaries. But if you are with a topmost skill set, you will be having global opportunities. Okay, so fine. So here we understood about SAP, ERP, we understood about what is the end users, and we understood about what are the types of consultants, and we understood about what is the roles of SAP end user and what is the roles of SAP consultants. Okay, I'll stop here. I'll take up questions from you. Tomorrow I'll go with different other topic, other theoretical part, and mostly we'll start our configurations also tomorrow. And before closing, I would like to show you, this is the SAP system. So I'll just connect with SAP system. This is how our SAP system will look like. I'll go into it later point just to show you how SAP will be working. Now in SAP, I wanted to see my vendor statement. I have purchased a lot of materials. Now I need to see how much I need to pay or how much I have already paid. So this is the transaction code given by SAP. Give the transaction code and enter. Give the company code. Suppose my company code is BA70, which I have already configured. Company code is a legal entity. Okay. So I'll explain you each and everything later, just to show you the glimpse how SAP is working. I'm just sharing it to you. I'll execute. Okay. See, Reliance Industries is my vendor. Okay. And this is my open. That means I have to pay this. I have purchased on 15th of this month. So still it is not in due. That means I have 30 days time. From 15th, next month 15th will be my due date. Like this, SAP will function the business and we need to work with SAP system. That's it. There is no coding and all, just a configurations. Okay. So this part we'll take it up tomorrow. So any questions, please use the chat box. Please use the chat box. And I request, please take a moment to fill out this Google Sheet, because in the beginning 1 2 days for consolidation it will be very difficult. Your names will be different and in our database the names will be different. So kindly fill this Google Sheet. It's in chat box. It won't take more than a minute.